we are on box 5, our last box of our learning board for this week. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be talking about character traits. Now again, you're going to listen to your story, giggle, giggle, quack. And what you are going to do is you're going to describe Duck's good choices and you're going to describe Duck's poor choices. Now you can tell me what are some things that Duck does that are good and some things that Duck does that are bad, okay? Now, or poor. Let's talk a little bit about character traits and what are character traits. Now, in every story, basically a fiction story that we will read, there will be characters in the story, even in movies. Now, when we look at characters, good readers should always be on the lookout for different things that tell us about the character. Now, just like we do, is we and the characters have physical traits. That means that is how we look, right? Physical traits would be what you see with your eyes. So we could tell that this character right here, she has brown hair. She has tan skin. She's wearing a shirt that has red and white stripes. She's wearing blue jean shorts and she has a belt with a yellow buckle. And she has red shoes on. Okay, those are some of her physical traits. I could go back and I could tell you, okay, this is what she looks like. However, when we talk about character traits, there are also inside personality traits. Now, what your personality is what we see that people have on the inside, like their heart. How do their words help you know what kind of person they are? How do their thoughts help you know what kind of person they are? Now, when we are thinking about personality traits, we are paying attention to their emotion, their thoughts, their dialogue. Remember, dialogue is the way they talk to each other, their actions. Now, when we talk about thoughts, we would say, okay, what is the character thinking? If, let's say, we were doing a good guy, bad guy, type thing. If this person was saying, oh, I wonder if I put a bunch of marbles on the floor and my friend walks in and it's dark outside, or it's dark inside the room, I wonder if she will fall. We could tell that this character would be maybe a little bit silly. She might be a trickster. We might say she might be mean, right? Maybe some words somebody says. If this character went to her mom and said, Mom, thank you so much for making me dinner. You are so caring and so thoughtful, and I really appreciate you. Now, those words, if we read them coming from a character, we could make an inference and say, this character, she is very caring. She's very loving. She is very, very kind. Now, sometimes in dialogue, when people are talking to each other, we can tell the difference between that too. For example, if somebody says, I will come back later, I have to finish my chores first. So if, let's say, a character told their friend that, I will come back later, I have to finish my chores first. Well, we would know that that character is determined, that character is driven, that character is very loyal to their mother and their father.